Here are the top 3 hottest niches in 2025 for sales automation agencies. Not only I'm showing you the hidden winners that nobody's talking about, but I'm also showing you the exact copies that I use inside my 100K a month sales automation agency. So let's make some money. Okay, so the first hidden niche that we're going to be talking about is going to be e-commerce. Now, I know you might be thinking, Saad, well, e-commerce businesses and e-commerce brands, they only sell to B2C, right? They only sell to B2C. But let me tell you something. There are multiple ways you can position yourself as a sales agency or an automation agency owner to make a ton of money using AI and automation in this space. To give you guys some context, e-commerce business owners right now are bleeding, right? Just because buyers changed, right? Nowadays, people want value, community, authenticity, and they just don't want to buy from ads, right? They buy from creators, groups, referrals, and actual real people. Another thing is that consumers' trust is down. It's not 2016 anymore, right? Everyone's been burned by those dropshippers. We all know those glorified dropshippers, right? Those fake brands and AI built junk. So right now, buyers are skeptical. So they research more, right? They trust people and they don't trust brands. Another big problem is that AI currently made it super easy and simple to launch a store. And so did Shopify, ChatGPT, Canva, and TikTok. So you see 10,000 new brands fighting for the same customer, same wallet, and same trends. Another big problem they have is that brands and e-com businesses can't retarget or optimize like before. They can't retarget the same customers, right? So that means they spend a ton of money on ads and their customer acquisition costs have skyrocketed. And the biggest one is that ad costs have exploded. So Facebook, TikTok, and Google are more expensive than ever, right? So what used to be you put $1 in ads, you get $4 out, is now you put in $1 in and you just get like $1.2 out if you're lucky, okay? So what do we do with this information? Well, we adapt. Now let me show you the correct way to actually make money in this niche. And I like to call it the Mayo process method, okay? So you don't reach their customers directly, okay? That's a dead end. You don't just go ahead and reach customers, right? Their customers, their B2C customers. Well, what you do is you take the whole damn pie and you connect these e-commerce brands or e-commerce businesses, whatever, with the gatekeepers who already own the audience, aka customers, okay? So for example, think retail stores, gyms, boutique, skincare shops, makeup studios. So these guys already own the customers. They already have the customers that they come every single day and buy these things, right? So they own the customers that these e-commerce brands want, okay? Now let me give you an extremely simple example, okay? If I asked you, what do e-com brands need? Well, you're going to say they need more customers, which is B2C buyers, and they also want these buyers to have higher trust and retention, okay? So let's take, for example, a gym, okay? What do gyms have? Well, gyms already have the e-coms brand's ideal customer, right? They already have those B2C buyers that they come every single day. They also have, which is a huge thing, they have B2C traffic, okay? They have people that come in that are loyal, local, they come every single day, right? And these gyms also have a physical location. So that means trust, right? Because it's a physical location. Another huge thing is that these gyms have already health-conscious buyers who spend money on, let's say, for example, protein, gear, pre-workout, lifestyle merch, etc., okay? So what do we do with this information? Well, we partner with gyms as distribution channels, okay? It doesn't have to be gyms. Gyms is just an example, okay? So you're turning the gym into the retail front for the e-com brand without the gym needing to hold inventory or do marketing. Now, let me walk you through the winning copy, okay? So for example, you'd reach out to an e-com brand, right? The subject line would be a distribution channel 10 times cheaper than ads. That subject line already acts as a pattern disrupt. Hey, first name, quick idea. I'm working with a few boutique gyms that serve the exact audience your brand's built for, health-conscious consumers who already spend on subs and gear. So I'm already like telling them, hey, exactly, I already have your ideal clients, right? Instead of fighting customer acquisition costs with ads, we're helping brands plug into these gyms directly, co-branded placements, affiliate promos, and challenges that convert like crazy. So again, my tone is very simple. My offer is clarified. One client replaced $5K a month in Meta and Meta spend with a single gym partnership. Want to see if this could plug into your funnel? See the copy that we're writing here? That's going to be for the e-com brands. Now, I know again, you might be wondering, Saad, well, what's going to be the copy for those gyms? Well, let me walk you through the winning copy again. So for the subject line is going to be, found a new revenue stream for your gym. Again, it acts like a pattern disrupt. Like these gyms, like this gym owner is going to look through the email, is going to see, found a new revenue stream for your gym? Okay, let me open it. So they open it and they're going to read, hey, first name, had to reach out. I help gyms like yours earn more per member without raising prices or selling harder. Again, because we understand their lingo. We understand that gyms, they want to sell harder. They want to earn more per customer. We do it by partnering you with premium fitness brands such as supplements, gear, etc. that fit your vibe. See the way we're talking, right? You get new recurring revenue, exclusive discounts for members, zero upfront costs or inventory. If you're open to it, I can show you how it works in 10 minutes. Worth a quick look. So again, I'm framing everything in terms of, money, like revenue, right? So when I say new recurring revenue, exclusive discounts for members, I already know what they want, right? So you can essentially just connect the two. And this is how you make money as a sales agency or sales automation agency targeted e-commerce. Okay, so let's talk about the second niche, which is the AI recruitment SaaS niche, okay? Now, everybody and their grandma knows that the recruitment space is exploding every single day, okay? To give you guys some context, as of 2025, right now, there are over 160,000 recruitment agencies already, just in 2025. So there are tons of new AI tools out there that help recruiters in these recruitment companies do their jobs faster, like finding people, checking resumes, and writing job ads. And these AI recruitment SaaS companies are spending big money to get noticed by hiring teams and staffing or recruitment agencies, okay? Now, what does it matter? Well, because the recruiters need tools to work faster and not get overwhelmed, right? And AI companies need recruiters to use their tools so they can grow and make money, right? See? So that means both sides depend on each other, right? They both need each other's. So recruiters want help and AI companies want customers. As simple as that, okay? So let me walk you guys through the winning copy, okay? So the winning copy is going to be like, subject line is going to be first name, close more placements with less legwork. So, hey, first name, saw your team's been effective. This is basically a placeholder of whatever industry you want to go for, whether it's healthcare, tech, finance, whatever. So saw your team's been active in the healthcare/finance role lately. Love how tight your positioning is. I work with a few AI tools that help recruiters cut sourcing and screen time by 60% using automated outreach, smart scoring, and resume to role matching. Not selling anything, just offering warm intros to the ones that are actually helping boutique firms land more placements and cut hiring fatigue. Want me to intro you to the one I trust? See how you position yourself as the connector? Just called the Myoprocess Connector Angle. And it's one of the few ways that I've used to scale my sales agency to $105K a month. Okay, so let's talk about the third niche, which is booming right now. Now, we all know that AI is booming, right? Like if you go to your feed, you're going to see everyone is talking about AI and every business is using AI currently. But AI SaaS startups is a pretty interesting niche, right? Because these startups understand that every business wants AI because it helps them save time and money. AI can do boring, repetitive tasks automatically so people can focus on more important tasks that are conducive to their revenue. Again, we're framing everything in terms of revenue because every business on planet wants clients, partners, and more revenue, right? So they know that AI can help businesses make smarter decisions by quickly understanding lots of information. So this makes companies faster, cheaper, and better at what they do. And new AI tools and platforms keep popping up daily, every single day. And another big thing, which is, this is like what I want you guys to pay attention to, is that investors are pouring billions of dollars into AI startups, okay, every single day. And AI companies need sales and marketing help to reach customers. So the potential savings and gains AI offers are massive. So budgets are big. Now, let me walk you guys through a winning copy for AI SaaS startups, okay? Subject line, first name, tools that help close, ... need closing too. Hey, first name, saw what you're building with company name looks like a powerful tool for sales teams. Funny thing we've noticed, even the best tools that help close deals often need help closing their own. We run a connector system that helps funded AI sales tools get real demos with companies already spending on sales enablement, no ads, no spam, just warm intros to decision makers. Want me to show you how it works? So again, this copy speaks directly to them. So these are the top 3 hidden niches that are booming right now. Obviously, when you use these copies, make sure to add your little color to it. And most importantly, I want you to get out there, take action. I believe in you, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.